Do you have an error preventing the Performance Operating System Library DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. I've linked the primary utility for Performance Operating System Library in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Performance Operating System Library, the Windows performance object for the operating system library. It manages the collection of localized CPU, memory, and handle usage metrics for Task Manager and Performance Monitor. If corrupted, the Performance tab in Task Manager will show no data available, and users will report high CPU usage in svchost.exe. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Perfos is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Performance Operating System library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. A quick safety warning: never download files like Performance Operating System Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing Performance Operating System library-related system data. To support our technical team and receive updates on Performance Operating System library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.